In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Excel report in Jotform. It's a straightforward process, and I'll guide you step by step to ensure you understand every part of it. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate over to jotform.com. Once you're on the website, you'll need to sign in. You have a couple of options here. You can choose to sign in with your Google or Microsoft account, or if you prefer, simply use your email address and password. Whichever option suits you best, go ahead and log into your account. After you've successfully signed in, you'll find yourself on your Jotform workspace. The next step is to select the specific form for which you want to create an Excel report. Simply browse through your list of forms and click on the one that you intend to use for this report. Upon selecting the form, look towards the top of the page. You'll see a tab labeled Reports. By clicking on this, you're taking the first step towards generating your report. However, there's also a second route to get there. Over on the right side of the screen, you'll spot an option labeled More. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Create Report. This alternative can be handy depending on your screen layout or personal preference. Now, on the Create Report page, you'll find a variety of report options. For our purposes today, select Excel Report. This option is ideal for easily exporting data in a format that's versatile and widely used for data management and analysis. Once you've chosen Excel Report, it's crucial to give your report a descriptive name. This helps in keeping everything organized, ensuring you can easily identify this report later on, especially if you plan to create multiple reports. Next up, you need to decide which fields you want to include in your Excel report. This can be tailored to meet your specific needs, whether you're looking to include just a few key fields or a comprehensive list of all the form submissions. Jotform also offers various configurations for further customization. For example, if data security is a concern, you can set up password protection on your report to keep it safe. Once you're satisfied with your selections and configurations, it's time to hit the Create button. This action will generate your Excel report. Upon completion, you'll have a couple of options. You can either download the report directly to your device or access a downloadable link. Finally, if you need to share this report with colleagues or clients, Jotform provides a convenient shareable link, making collaboration easy and efficient. And there you have it, a complete guide on creating an Excel report in Jotform. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you streamline your workflow in the future.